Good morning everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nemo. It is Friday today, but it feels like Saturday to me. I don't know why, I don't know. And it's really cold outside, it's very dull. It is already 10 o'clock, 10:30, but it looks like, I don't know, like 7 o'clock in the morning. It looks very bad. Let me show you. See, the sky is all gray. I don't know if the sun will penetrate later. I really hope so. But otherwise, this is how the morning is here. But you never know, Dutch weather changes so drastically. I hope it changes and becomes better, but otherwise we have to make the most of today. So I woke up this morning at around 7. I did my nails, got myself ready for this evening. I'm going to a different city, to another town, for my friend's surprise birthday party. She has no idea what's coming this evening. And I've also been busy on YouTube trying to post a video, but it has not been very easy. I mean, this is my second video that I'm going to post, and I have to do everything by myself. I have to learn everything by myself. It is not easy, but thank God there are videos on YouTube which you can just search and you get some information. I'm gonna just keep on trying until I learn almost everything, maybe. And I have made myself some breakfast because since 7:30 that I got down here, I haven't eaten anything. For breakfast, normally I eat yogurt, blueberries, and sometimes a banana, because I'm trying to reduce on carbohydrates and sugars. But today I really felt like I need something else. So I have today 2 slices of bread. I like the crust. Most of the people don't like it, but I love the crust. Some milk, some leftover milk. It's not much. I thought I could have a glass, but it's not. On the bread I put the sambal. It's chili peppers. I like it hot. And on top of the bread I'm going to put this, my egg. It's actually 2 eggs. As you can see, there is avocado under there. I love avocado. I eat avocado with everything. So I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast and I'll catch you guys later. My breakfast is done. It was good, but it was a bit dry. I wish I had more milk, but yeah. If only wishes could be turned into milk. You know, this is one of the things that I miss about Kenya. I mean, I'm not about to go to the supermarket now. I don't want to. I don't feel like it. But when I was in Kenya and I didn't have anything at home, like milk, like sugar, I would just call the motorbike guy and then ask him to go to the supermarket, buy me everything that I wanted, and he will bring it direct to my house. Then I would pay him. That made life very, very easy in Kenya. You don't have that here. Here you have to do everything for yourself. If you want to go to the supermarket, you need to go there by yourself. When it comes to taking care of your children, you have to do it by yourself. When it comes to doing this and that, you have to do things by yourself here. Yeah, I mean, you can have help now and then, but I mean, it is too expensive. It is too expensive. So better just do everything for yourself. But it's a good thing because you learn how to be independent. You learn how to depend on yourself. Yeah, independence, depending on yourself, same thing. But you learn so many things. You learn how to manage your time. I mean, you just learn so many things. But anyway, breakfast is done and let the day continue. I look so tired. I know I couldn't sleep very well. I had too many things in my mind about this evening at my friend's surprise party, about tomorrow. I will film all that for you guys, and I will try to edit on time and post it. Editing is a bit a challenge for me, but anyway, I am learning and everything will be okay, right? And this is my little workplace. And right there I have my foot warmer, because I always have cold feet, and especially with this cold weather, whenever I sit down I put my feet in there and they stay warm. You can set it to whatever you want. If you want it high, you can have it on 3. If you want it on 2 is a bit lower, and this is off, and then you can put it on 1 like this, and then it's not too warm. I prefer to have it on 3. That works really good for me, because then my feet remain really warm. And then you can, if you want to clean it, you can remove this and then go ahead and put it in the washing machine, or you can wash it with your own hands if you like. And this works really good also, especially in the winter, because I get very cold feet in the winter, and if you have the same problem, then this is a must buy. It is very beautiful also. It looks really girlish. Some say it looks really grandma-ish. It doesn't matter as long as my feet stay warm. This is a winter hack mostly, but I have cold feet all through the year. It doesn't matter. If I am sitting down, I need to have my feet warm. So later on I will make a video about winter hacks for those that live in Europe and don't know where to start because the cold is too much. And I was busy working on my YouTube, posting that video, a haul that I did from Zalando, Nat and Zalando Lounge. And then I needed to edit my about section, and I just checked here. The good thing about YouTube is that you can find all kinds of information that you want. So about section, description, links, how to do that, customize your channel, how to edit, all that. I am learning actually through watching these videos, because I don't have direct guidance, but it's okay, I will manage. I also bought this. For those who live in the Netherlands, you can buy it at Action. It costs about €3 and a few cents, if I can still remember. And if you want it to be like this, higher, you can do that. If you wanted to stand like that, you can also do that. I mean, it adjusts to whatever shape you want it to, and to whatever position you want it to. I think it is very handy for people who like to make videos and who like to take pictures from a distance. It is very handy. You should do that. Oh, over there you see some books and a box. That is actually where I placed my camera when I was filming the whole video. So what I'm just trying to say to you is that you don't need to have all the equipments in this world. You don't need that. You just need to improvise whenever you can. Whenever you want to do something, just improvise, and you will see that everything will go your way. Just keep on trying. So I will continue with the hashtags, including the hashtags, and then I'm gonna click publish. I hope you guys are going to enjoy that whole video and also this video. And later on this evening, when I'm getting ready to go to my friend's party, I will make another video. I will show you my outfit of today. My outfit right now is just my house clothes, not too much. But I thought, let's just make a video this morning, and because I need to get used to this. I like it, I really like it, and I'm just gonna keep on trying. So now I have put my phone on the flexible phone holder, and I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Before I was using this one, so I used to put it like this. Yeah, before, I mean recently. It is broken, by the way, that's why it's moving all over. So I used to put it like this, turn this one like this, and then put my phone here. I also bought this at Action, but I think you can get them on internet if you just Google mobile phone holder or vlogging. Oh, yeah, this one is broken. If you just Google mobile phone holder or vlogging, how do you say that? Things that I need to start vlogging, you can check, and then they will give you an idea. But from me, I can tell you exactly what I use right now. Flexible mobile phone holder. This is how it looks. This is the box. So you can put it at whatever angle, adjustable clip to fit your phone. 360 rotation, which is very handy, because whenever you want to turn your phone this way and that way, it can rotate. And it is made of aluminium, and then you have foam. Foam is just helping with the balance when you put it on the table, and you can use it also in the car. You can also just bring it with you on the bike, like wherever you are. When you want to use your bike, you can just hang it there like this, and you have your Google Maps there working for you. You can use it as a selfie stick. You just straighten up the aluminium like this, and it is a selfie stick. I mean, you can even be lazy around in bed and just put it around your neck, and you don't even have to hold your phone. You just scroll and check out all those Instagram photos. I mean, you can use it everywhere. It is it's a selfie stick, easy to use as a stand for almost every smartphone. Lazy neck holder right there. 360 rotation, which is very handy. It helps a lot that you can rotate to any position you want. So this is what I'm using now, and I'm very excited about this journey of mine into discovering more about vlogging. And if you guys want to try vlogging, just go ahead and do that. I mean, if I am doing that, you can also do it. Trust me. And whatever it is that you always wanted to do, you have an idea for business or whatever, you have an idea to even travel, whatever you want to do, just do it, because I mean, we only have one life to live. If you don't do it now, unless you believe in coming back to life after death, I don't know, but I just say it is now or never. So I wish you guys a wonderful day today, even if it's dark outside or cold or snowing wherever you are, or it's too hot, the sun is too hot, it feels like it's right here. Just make the most of the day, try to enjoy. Even if you didn't sleep good enough like me, it's okay, everything will be fine, and I wish you guys the best. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share, comment, let me know what you guys want to watch from me, and let's keep in touch, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.